Hi everybody. Do you know earlier I wasn't able to pronounce the word correctly and at the same time I was speaking too fast. But later on I find that some of the people didn't understand what I'm trying to say because I was speaking too fast. But now as you can see I improved on it. I'm speaking slow so that you people and the other person I'm talking to is able to understand what I'm saying. So what are the things I did to improve on it? So it is a very simple and a little funny trick also. You can apply it like putting your pen into your mouth. So what you have to do, you have to take a little thick pen and you just have to take a newspaper or something you want to read, and you have to do this for 5 minutes. Like put your pen in your mouth like this and read anything. Lionel Messi landed another prestigious award in soccer. The Argentina star needed a tiebreaker with Erling Haaland to win FIFA's Best Men's Player prize on Monday. So see, you have to do this activity every day in the morning or whenever you get some time, and just read something after putting this pen in your mouth. And in this way, you will see a huge change in your speaking skills. You will be able to pronounce words in a better way, and you will be speaking much slower than you were earlier used to. This will help your English to be better and communicating in a better way with the other person. So I hope you like this video. If you do so, do like this video and subscribe the channel. You will get the content related to English and grammar